Where do I begin? So let me start off by saying that I absolutely love my gray hair. I love it now, but in the beginning, I couldn't stand it. I hated it. I saw my first gray hair when I was 18 years old. And since then, they just invited friends and family over, and now I am fully gray. So at 18, 19, I wasn't thinking too much about it. I'm thinking maybe I'm just stressed out, worried, um, started this new life, not living with my parents anymore. It was me and my boyfriend. We had our own place, so we're working full-time jobs. Then I started college around 19, 20 years old, and then I was dancing and performing and rehearsing and all these things going on. Life is just hitting me, so I figured that's why the gray hairs are there. Then I had to look around because I have people on my mom's side who started getting grades very early. So I said, "Oh, okay, this is in my family, runs in the family kind of thing." So I didn't think anything of it, and then just kept going and going and going. So what you see me here doing to my hair is I'm just prepping it to just wash and condition it. I had my hair in two strand twist. So before it started to lock up, because if you don't get in there and start detangling and start freshening up your twist, it will start to lock up. And then that's what I learned. God, I kind of knew it, but didn't really pay attention to it. That some people start their locks off with spiral twist or two strand twists. I never really paid attention to how people started. I just didn't. But trust me, it started happening to me, and I couldn't stand it. So I was buying all kind of detangling, um, um, shampoos, conditioners, all kind of leave-in conditioners, sprays, what you name it. I started, buying some of those because at times my hair would start to lock. So I said, Tameki, you can't keep these two-strand twists and these spiral curls in too long. You have to like freshen them up I want to say every week. Go through them, detangle, retwist your hair, remoisturize, and all that type of stuff. But it was a learning process for me because I had stopped perming my hair. I got to a point where I said, no, I'm gonna stop doing it. I'm just gonna go all natural. And then I'm just gonna let all the gray hair just grow in. I'm gonna stop dyeing it. I'm gonna stop putting rinses in. It just got to be too much. And I know that my daughter, she was take a look at my hair and say, "Oh, you're getting the skunk line." I couldn't stand. I couldn't stand it. But I was told, "Hey, just embrace it and see what happens." Once, once I kind of embraced it, I loved it, never looked back. Now, if I wanted to give a different look like I did, maybe back in 2023, I went to Vegas and I wanted to try a honey blonde wig because I didn't want to dye my hair. I figured, that ship had that sailed, and I wasn't going to, dye my hair and start all over again. No, no. I just put a wig on and keep it moving, and then when I'm done, just take it off. But I only wore it for the trip. It was cute. It was fun, and that was that. But back to the video. So after detangling, washing, conditioning, and then retwisting and drying my hair, I was going for this little wild child look, but the top, it just wasn't hitting it for me. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching and listening to me. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.